This video demonstrates how to check the order status of your contract. First, navigate to the My Subscriptions page. Here you can view your contracts. You can search for a specific contract using the display filters, or you can scroll through the contracts manually. Here you can see we have an active contract. You can click the active link under the contract status column to view additional details of your status and view next steps. As you can see, the order status window shows that we are in the active step of the order process. It is read and checked. You can click the Click Here link for more information on what each status is, its meaning, and next action. So we will go ahead and click the link. This will open to the software portal Release Notes in Knowledge Base. Scroll down to item number 4. My Rockwell Software Portal Order Status Definitions, and select. This takes you to more information on order status, but specifically to a table that describes each stage and next step. If you have questions on your order status, or if you need to expedite an order request, contact your local customer care representative. This concludes the video for how to check the order status of a contract.